Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 13307 Class 3 trailer hitch on a 2018 Chevrolet Equinox. To begin, on the passenger side, locate and carefully remove a plastic pushpin holding a wiring harness to the bottom of the rail with a pry bar. Next, you will need to enlarge the larger access hole with a die grinder to accommodate the supplied hardware. Use a paint pen or a rust inhibitor on the exposed metal once you're finished. Fishwire the hardware into place by first threading the supplied carriage bolt into the coiled end of one of the included fish wires. Next, insert the opposite end of the same fish wire through the square hole of the included spacer. Then route the fish wire up through the enlarged access hole and down and out through the rearmost attachment point. It may help to slightly bend the end of the fish wire. Route the spacer and carriage bolt up through the enlarged access hole and continue to pull on the fish wire, pulling the carriage bolt down through the spacer and through the rear attachment point. Leave the fish wire attached to the carriage bolt. Repeat this process again on the forwardmost attachment point. Reverse fishwire the middle attachment point by threading the carriage bolt into the coiled end of the fishwire and placing a square hole spacer over the opposite end. Route the carriage bolt up into the enlarged access hole, followed by the spacer. Pull on the fishwire to pull the carriage bolt through the spacer and down through the attachment point. Leave the fish wires attached. Repeat this entire process on the opposite rail attachment points. Raise the hitch into position with the help of a friend, if possible. Route the fish wires through the corresponding attachment holes on the side plates of the hitch and lift the hitch over the carriage bolts. Remove the fish wires and secure the hitch with the included flange nuts. Be careful not to push the hardware into the frame. Repeat this process on all attachment points. Torque all hardware to the exact value specified in your supplied instruction sheet. This completes the installation of the CURT 13307 on a 2018 Chevrolet Equinox. Install the custom vehicle to trailer wiring harness next. Thank you for watching this video. Now get ready to bring it.